Happy Monday, everybody. Let's look at levels for this morning. You can see S&P 500 futures are up pre-market 0.6%. And let's look at SPY. It is up cash index. SPY is up 0.45%. Let's go to 1 hour chart and see if there are any gaps left from Friday's session, if we can learn something about it. Let me hide this moving average just quickly. You can see there are no gaps. Okay, so there's a gap only on the top side, which is 438. And we are opening on a gap up. So what we're going to do, because this gap will be filled in the morning most likely, so I'm going to mark it like green here. So 431.71. So you can see this yellow line, it's opening on a gap up here. So I think as market opens, it's going to come down, fill this gap, then it's going to go higher. And then there's this other gap, which is still not filled, around 438.47. So let's see from Friday's close, that gap is around 1.6% away. So that will happen. I don't know if it's going to happen today or tomorrow, but looks like seasonality is telling me. If I show you seasonality chart, like I showed before yesterday on my channel as well, and you can see seasonality index is showing from October. This is mid-October. This is Nasdaq till the end of October. Massive pump. Okay, if I show you SPX. If I show SPX chart, you can see same thing here. From mid of October, you can see a lot of volatility, and to the end of October, just going straight up. All right, so keep that in mind, and do not just short this market. All right, so okay, let's go back to the indicator, and let's go back to our extended hours trading, and here you go. All right, so we marked that, and you see the top of the channel 438, that's our target. So let's go back to S&P 500 US 500 futures. So yeah, so the sell zone is around 43.68. So from here we can go up to around 0.5% more higher. That means it can go above 1% easily. And for some reason after market open, if it comes back down to 43.16, so that's your target to buy. Okay, and in the middle right now, we are in the middle no trade zone. US 100 Nasdaq is came to the buy zone. You can see around 4 a.m. then around 6 a.m. It's a bit weaker compared to S&P 500 and Dow Jones and even Russell 2000, because these have banks and Nasdaq only has tech stocks. But again, it's going now towards the neutral zone. The sell zone is around 15,184 and buy zone is around 14,959. Dow Jones is now pumping, came to the neutral zone after banks earning, now going to the sell zone. 33,911 is and above is the sell zone. 33,548 and below is the buy zone. Russell 2000 in the neutral zone, 1745 and up is sell, 1718 and below is buy. Gold, let's look at gold in the sell zone now after massive almost 4% pump last time. This is a support box here around 1897, let's say 1888. So if it falls there, that's a good time to buy. Silver also consolidating after massive pump, now in your neutral zone. 21,912 and below look to buy. Natural gas near buy zone. If I show you natural gas futures, NG, let's quickly look at that. Here you go. That's also near sell buy zone, just bouncing from the buy zone. Crude oil is green near sell zone, so this is where you should be looking to short crude oil. Bitcoin is up 2.39%. Look at this massive candle. I don't know what happened. Some news came and then just pumped like crazy, and now just consolidating. So in the sell zone, I think it could come a little bit down before it can go much higher. Ethereum, same thing, it will just follow Bitcoin. And tech stocks, let's look at Apple in the buy zone here. You can see pre-market, there was a news on iPhone, sales are not picking up, so in the buy zone. Tesla, also perfectly in the buy zone, good time to buy Tesla. And everything else, I don't see, let's see, Meta is also in the buy zone. Amazon just bouncing from the buy zone. Snowflake's near buy zone. NVDA in the buy zone, very rare. You should catch this NVDA move. AMD also in the buy zone. So it looks like these tech sector stocks are in the buy zone. So Excel is in the buy zone. Fungu also in the buy zone. You can see all tech stocks are in the buy zone. Dollar index in neutral zone. If it goes down below here, that's going to be bullish for gold and stock market. And let's quickly see anything else interesting. Palladium, no, nothing here. Still near support 1140. Let's see Con is also near neutral zone, so nothing interesting happening here. Gold miners are in the sell zone. Good time to short, I think. And let's see anything else pre-market if it's red. China. Let's look at China. China. How's China doing? Hang Seng Index. Near buy zone, very good buy zone. So it's near this dotted line. So let's delete this. Looks like this gap is filled this morning. So we're gonna delete this. And all the Chinese stocks looks like in the buy zone. Alibaba in the buy zone. Baidu is in the buy zone. You can see here. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, and let's quickly review again. US 500 going towards sell zone, and Nasdaq 100 going towards neutral zone. Okay, guys, bye.